Welcome back to One More Guru. In this video, I'll show you how to convert your TikTok coins into real money. Start by opening your TikTok profile and tapping the triple bar menu in the top right corner. Go to Assets, then Balance, where you'll see your TikTok coins. Tap on Estimated Balance, and then View to check your scheduled payouts, live rewards, and total balance. Next, set up your payout method. Tap the triple dot menu in the top right corner and select Payment Methods. Depending on your country or region, choose the available option. PayPal is commonly used in many regions. Once your payment method is set, go back to Live Rewards and choose either your available rewards or upcoming rewards to exchange your TikTok coins for money. For additional details, tap the triple dot menu again to see information about minimum payout amounts, service fees, and a rewards guide to help with the conversion process. And that's it. I hope this guide makes it easy for you to turn your TikTok coins into cash. Don't forget to like and subscribe to One More Guru, and I'll see you in the next video.